Welcome to Elite Service Masters. Whether you've just bought your first home or you're looking for a refresher, today we're going to cover 5 essential property maintenance tips for new homeowners in 2024. Owning a home is a big responsibility, and keeping up with routine maintenance can feel overwhelming. But with these simple tips, you can protect your investment, avoid major repairs, and keep your home in top shape all year round. First up, routine inspections. Regularly inspecting your property is like giving it a health checkup. You want to spot small issues before they turn into big, expensive headaches. Start by checking the exterior. Look for any cracks in the foundation, damage to siding, or missing shingles on the roof. Make sure gutters are clear of debris to avoid water damage, and inspect windows and doors for drafts. Inside, check your plumbing for leaks, and make sure your HVAC system is working properly. A good rule of thumb is to do these inspections seasonally, so you're always ahead of any potential problems. Now let's talk seasonal maintenance. Each season brings its own set of challenges, so keeping your home in top condition means staying on top of these. In the spring, clean your gutters, check for roof damage after winter storms, and inspect your air conditioning before the heat kicks in. During the summer, power wash your exterior and seal any cracks in windows or doors to keep cool air inside. Fall is the time to clean your gutters again. You'll want to keep those leaves out. And make sure your heating system is ready for winter. Winterizing your home in late fall, like insulating pipes and sealing drafts, can save you a lot of headaches when temperatures drop. Let's not forget about preventative measures. The best way to avoid expensive repairs is to prevent them in the first place. For example, regularly servicing your HVAC system, even when it seems to be running fine, can help prevent breakdowns in the middle of summer or winter. The same goes for your plumbing. Small leaks may seem harmless, but they can lead to mold, structural damage, or expensive water bills. Also, keep an eye on your foundation and driveway. Cracks that are left untreated can worsen with the freeze-thaw cycle in colder climates, so it's worth patching them up as soon as you notice them. There are plenty of DIY tips that can save you money and keep your home running smoothly. One simple task is changing out your HVAC filters every 1 to 3 months. This helps your system run efficiently and keeps your air clean. You can also clean your gutters yourself. Just make sure you have a stable ladder and the right tools. Sealing drafty windows with caulk is another easy job that can save you money on heating and cooling costs. And don't be afraid to take on small paint touch-ups or basic landscaping. A little DIY goes a long way in boosting your home's appearance and value. But of course, there are times when calling a professional is the smartest choice. Some jobs just require a level of expertise and equipment that most homeowners don't have. For example, roofing repairs or electrical work are better left to the pros, not only for quality, but for your own safety. If you notice large cracks in your foundation, have a professional assess it immediately. And when it comes to plumbing, a minor leak is one thing, but if you're facing a major pipe issue, don't hesitate to call in a plumber. The cost of hiring a professional can save you from much more expensive damage down the road. By following these 5 essential tips, routine inspections, seasonal maintenance, preventative measures, DIY tasks, and knowing when to call a pro, you'll be well on your way to protecting your home and keeping it in great shape. Taking a proactive approach in 2024 means fewer surprises and a much more comfortable home environment for you and your family. Thanks for watching Elite Service Masters. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest homeownership tips. Keep up the good work, and we'll see you in the next video.